Hey everyone, I am Megan, also known as Megzy TDOG. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I have my special guest,
Preston.
And we are going to be trying the Candy Club collection from October 2019. So, if you're interested, then make sure you keep watching. So in this month's Candy Club, we got 6 different products to try. So I guess we're just gonna dive in, pick whichever one you're interested in, and I'm gonna pick whichever one I'm most interested in, okay?
The first one I thought was interesting was a candy corn puffs.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about them.
I don't know anything about them.
Read right here.
They look like giant candy corns with sugar that could possibly be fluffy,
Okay.
gummy, fluffy, kind of like a, I don't even know. The look and taste of classic candy corn, an exciting, gummy, fluffy bite.
Okay, so try it out. Go ahead and open your pack.
Break the seal.
Yeah, break the seal.
Oh yeah, it's squishy.
I'm gonna try one of yours too. So it's squishy,
Oh.
like he said, it's got like
It smells like
sugar on it.
smells like icing.
It smells like icing, but it really does smell like the pumpkin candy corn.
Mm.
That's exactly
Yeah.
what it smells like.
Yeah, I'm having a second one. That was good.
It's a little hard. It's like a peat, but
No,
a
it's
little
not
more
quite a peat.
chewy.
A little bit more sugary, gummy than a peat, maybe.
That was interesting.
I'm trying to think what I've had that's like that. Almost like the consistency of the little like what are the peach slice things or whatever that you get in the little dollar bags. You know what I'm talking about?
Kind of like these, except we're gonna get to those in a minute.
What are those? Oh, okay.
I think.
Okay.
Okay. So the item I chose is the Celebration Brownie Bites. And at first, whenever I opened the package, I thought that these were the small gobstoppers, the things that you suck on. But these are actually rich fudge brownie bites that are covered in vanilla frosting and rainbow confetti. So
Ready for that?
let's crack that seal. So they're super cute. They've got a super chocolatey scent.
I said you first and then I just put it right in my mouth.
Oh yeah, I could eat a lot of these. These are almost like cookie dough bites.
Yeah, pretty much like cookie dough bites. Except more of a sweet, like cakey flavor than a cookie flavor. Not quite brownie like I'd expect, but still good.
Really good. Okay. Okay, so since you're going with that, I'm gonna go with witch hats, which is also Halloween themed. There we go. That's the word I was looking
Yeah.
for.
This is the kind of stuff I was looking for at the dollar store, like little gummy eyes like that.
Okay, and so
Those are cool.
read what this is about.
This says eerie yet cheery gummies, perfect for when you need a hand. Parentheses or eyeball or brain in parentheses.
I got a bone. Preston chose the
Oh,
eyeballs.
here we go.
Oh,
Here we go.
Hold on. We gotta get a thumbnail.
Gonna work. Oh yeah.
Hold on. Wait.
Oh, and it tastes good. Food
Yeah.
you can play with. That tastes good.
That is like really fun, and I really like the gummy consistency of those.
Yeah, eyeballs. They got fingers.
They had bones, they have brains.
Mom always told me not to play with my food. That's a brain, yeah.
That's a brain! A brain!
It's like the size of like a squirrel brain. Those are good. Approved.
Let me get this down. Alright.
Definitely a lot of flavor.
Yeah, that one had a lot more flavor
Way
than...
more flavor than any like just gummies you're gonna buy from Kroger or
Yeah,
some stuff like that.
there was a lot of fruity flavor. So I really liked those. Those were enjoyable.
Yeah.
So I have witch hats, which are pretty much, I guess, the same thing. They are fruity, juicy, playful, spooky gummies, sure to put you under a spell.
So good. Heck for me.
Heck for me, baby. I'm gonna get a green one. Which one are you getting?
Purple.
Purple.
I gotta smell them all for a second. Oh, that smells like fruit roll-ups or something.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I have somebody else's tongue in my mouth. Like cold. Oh, that made me kind of gag a little bit. It's like some necro shit.
The flavor is really good, but the texture was like a little
Yeah.
startling.
They should have had like a
It does taste like, or it does feel like a cold tongue. Oh my god.
They should have had some kind of maybe like a coating of some sort, powder coating or something like that.
Mm-hmm. But I mean, like
You
the
can
flavor
see
is
it's like
good.
kind of wet and slimy, so like it's already like. What does it say for the description? Does it say wet and slimy?
It did not. It said fruity, juicy,
It's juicy.
and playful. Yeah, they're definitely juicy. These are very juicy gummies. So they are a little like wet feeling and cold.
But they taste good.
They taste good, but
That's all you care
the
about, right?
consistency was just a little weird.
That's all you really care about.
Last but not least, I know I say that in every video.
You picked the first one of this one.
I mean, I'm just gonna go with this one.
That one looked cool. I knew you were gonna pick
Yeah,
that one.
yeah,
I wanted
this
you
one's
to. I
cool.
wanted you to.
Okay, you get this one.
All right. I'm gonna do sour twins since we're having twins when we have kids.
But what are they?
Sour twin cherries. Oh, it looks like cherries that are half lemon, half cherry.
And these have like a lot of granulated sugar on
Yeah,
them.
these say twin bat
Twin, Matt.
cut. These say twin big with these plump and juicy sour cherry gummies.
I feel like that's not what it says.
Like twin big, like twins, like the verb twinning. Twin big with your plump and juicy
Okay.
sour. Maybe reword that one.
Okay, I'm gonna get one as well. These look a lot like the, what are they called? Peach rings.
Ooh. That's the smell in there though. Like, are they like spraying something in here to make that smell like that? 'Cause that smells like a candle I want. This is a little tough.
Mmm.
Flavor on point though.
Mmm.
What? How do you do it?
They have really bold flavors.
Dude, yeah.
Very bold flavors.
And this isn't actually that sour. Like if you like,
It's like a little sour.
if you don't like sour stuff, this you could actually tolerate.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a big fan of stuff like sour Skittles. Give me regular Skittles.
Yeah.
And
I
those-
wouldn't want to eat like more than 4 of these at a time because I feel like my tongue might get raw and I might get a little like tight in the jaw. But these, excellent flavor. Out of everything that we've had so far, I think that these have the like best, most flavorful punch, I think. But
It's an interesting lemon cherry combination.
Mhm.
Kind of there.
mhm.
Those look fire
Yeah.
or
So
rainbowy. It's good.
get okay. Anyways, the last product that we have from Candy Club is a Rainbow Bites container.
Mm.
This is tangy rainbow stripes. Sorry. Cut.
Looks sour.
Okay. The last product from Candy Club is gonna be the Rainbow Bites. These are tangy rainbow striped nibs filled with a core of sweet vanilla cream. And these do look a little sour, but I bet that's like deceiving. We're gonna see.
Popping on off there.
Yeah, pop it all off.
Ooh, well, I'm sorry. I should have.
Alright.
Chivalry is dead, isn't it?
Last candy to try.
I should have washed my hands before I ate all this candy.
3, 2, 1.
You want to do that again?
That's like licorice.
Mm-hmm. Tastes like had some kind of like I can't remember what the fuck it was called. Like a foot of this shit. Like the what the fuck is it?
It's like filled licorice.
It does not taste like licorice.
Look at that. The outside layer is licorice.
It looks like it. It doesn't taste like licorice.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Eat just the eat just this part on the side. Just like nib it.
Like a little.
That's licorice.
You ever eaten licorice?
Yeah. Okay.
Agree, disagree.
Overall thoughts on this one? I'm not a huge fan of it. I'm a huge fan of the look. The look is super cool.
I'm a fan of the nibbing technique. You just you around it, so then you got like a little marshmallow white thing. See how that tastes.
So just nib around, you know?
Nib around.
Okay.
If there's anyone that you would, what was your favorite?
I think my favorite would have to be Sour Twin Cherries.
Really?
Or Missing Body Parts. These two had a lot of good
fine.
flavor, so I really enjoyed those. What about you? What were your two favorites?
Honestly, probably these two. The candy corn puffs were really
These were
good.
really good.
These don't even taste that much like candy corn. They just look
And smell.
and smell, but they taste really good.
Yeah, they do have a good flavor.
These almost don't even taste like brownie bites, but they also taste really good
Yeah.
and smell really good. Probably my favorite gummy I've ever eaten in my life, though. That is like
Hold it up.
hold it up.
You had it like, you were like this. We're like only the top. You were like, this is my favorite gummy.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Primo. While he finishes up eating, I'm just gonna say thank you to Candy Club for sending me this box. Also, thank you for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Enjoy your afternoon, and bye, guys.
That's what the inside looks like. Fuck off your outro.
No.
I don't know. Balls in your mouth. I think I changed this to my favorite.
You know, those are fucking good.